Okay guys, for this board is ESP32. If you look at this board, you will see ESP32, WROM 32. So ESP32 is expressive system, and if you look at behind here, you see ESP32. And the good things of the ESP32 compared to the no MCU, and this no MCU is Lonely no MCU version 3, and no MCU has a built-in Wi-Fi, but for ESP32 has a built-in Wi-Fi and a built-in Bluetooth. And the good things is for this one has a touch sensor, a timer, a real-time clock, and the Wi-Fi is more faster than this no MCU. So for today we're going to use an ESP32, and if you look at this in front of the button, here is EN. EN is for a reset button. And if you look at this here, boot, a boot is sometimes, or when you are uploading the sketch, you need to press to make it complete your sketch upload. And this ESP32 using micro USB cable here, and we connect to the computer. We're gonna use a breadboard. So ESP32 is the same goes to a no MCU ESP8266. This also compatible with Arduino IDE. So to be able to use Arduino IDE, you need to add the library for ESP32 to your Arduino file. So I'm going to show you in a computer. Arduino IDE. We open Arduino IDE. You go to the file, go to preference, and you will see the bar here, which I already download and install for ESP32 file here. Okay, but for you, if you haven't installed this one, you go to the Google. In the Google, you type ESP32 library file, and you see all this one, and you scroll it down. And you download this one. Sorry, you copy this link here. You copy this link. You copy out, and you go back to Arduino IDE sketch. Go to the file with reference, and right here you need to paste. I already passed one times, but I still can paste one more time using comma and paste. So after you paste here, then you click OK, and ESP32 file is already added here. But you still need to go to the tools here. For the board, you need to add the board manager. I already add here, but I'm going to show you here. You go to the board manager here. You click board manager. You wait for to download it. You must have an internet line, otherwise you won't get all this link. You click here, you type ESP ESP32. Oh, okay, ESP32, which I already installed. You have to install. You're gonna see here in this remove button here, you're gonna see install button if you haven't installed. So you must install this item. Then you're gonna see here install it. So after you install, then you close. After you close, then you go back to the tools here. You go to the tools here, and for the box, now you're going to choose ESP32 is already here, but here you see a lot of ESP32. So depending on which model you use it, but here is they already mentioned all version. For all version, yeah, let's say if you using, maybe you type, you select, okay, you're gonna see, I'm gonna show you if, okay, you can scroll it down. Okay, some of the version do it ESP32. Okay, let's say if you click here and you go to the tools here, you won't see the port. You won't see the port because you didn't select the right board. So you must go back to the board here, go back to ESP32 Arduino, and we're going to choose here which mention all version. Okay, ESP32 Robot Kit all version. Let's try all version, and you go back to the tools here. I haven't get any port yet. Too. If you still didn't get the port, you must check it back your USB cable. I cannot get the port. Let me change my USB cable right here. Sometimes the USB cable is affected as well. Okay, I already select. Okay, that's my USB cable has a problem, so I cannot select the port. So now I already can select the port here. So I'm going to select to the port COM3, and we're going to upload the blink LED sketch. Go to the file, go to example for Arduino. I'm going to select the blink. Okay, then we'll close this one. Okay, we're going to select the blink LED, and here let us set up for the hardware side here. We're going to use breadboard. Okay, right here, this is LED. So LED, the longer pin is positive and the shorter pin is negative. So the long pin, positive, I put it here, and negative, I put it to the ground here. And positive, I connect with 220 ohm resistor, and 220 ohm resistor I connect to digital pin. I'm going to just use either one here, which is digital, which pin, digital pin 33. So digital pin 33, and this ground I'm going to connect to here. Here is ground connect to the ground here. So we're going to upload the code. The hardware we're going to use here is the pin is 33. This 33. 33. Okay, so to blink delay is 1000. Okay, just make it a little bit 2000. Okay, now we already select here complete and we upload. So now we are uploading the code. Okay, now the upload has a problem, so you have to be careful. For ESP32, if you cannot upload the code, you need to press this boot while uploading the sketch. So we upload again, and you press here, you press the boot here, until the upload is complete. So now done upload. So after you upload the code, you must press EN, this reset button, to make it work for your uploading the code. Otherwise your code will not be working. So you must press the EN reset button. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you again in the next video.